Have you ever wondered if there was a safer way to stare at the sun? Well, you're in luck, because I'm about to show you how to make a pinhole projection for the upcoming eclipse out of a cereal box. And me and the captain are going to make it happen. So our first step is to take a cereal box, and with a pair of scissors, we won't be needing these by the way, so we're going to cut here, cut here. Depending on how much of a perfectionist you are, you kind of want to cut both sides of these equally. Cut these tabs off. Now, it may be difficult to get sun viewing glasses for the eclipse. They may sell out, so this may be your only option to look at the eclipse. Okay, now we're going to insert the tab. Wishful thinking. So I have to tape this. Take some Scotch tape. I never knew it was called magic tape. So we'll cover this with aluminum foil. Oh, I forgot a vital step. You're going to have to edit this in.
Okay.
So we're going to trace a piece of paper to put in the bottom of the box. And this will be our projection screen.
Have you ever made one of these before?
Maybe like 37 years ago. I normally just stare at the sun. If you don't have double-sided tape, you can just put a little roll on the back. And then remove this tape. It's very easy.
Is this going to be the one that stumps you?
Yeah, I don't know. See that? Well, just use white paper, tape it in the back on the bottom of the box. Complicated process. Okay, we'll put our tape back there. And now, I'll put a little tape on here to hold it. Kind of looks a little crude, doesn't it?
I've seen better looking projection boxes.
That would bother me that it's just going to flap around there. So take a nail or a pin, and we're just going to poke a hole there. Let's give it a shot. So the object is to have your back facing the sun. Yeah, don't look at it. Oh, I see it. So if you position yourself, you know, you got to kind of find it, but it's pretty bright. So the sun's light is going to pass through the pinhole and pain in the butt. There it is, sun. A safe way to view the eclipse for the cost of a box of cereal. Might be easier just to go buy glasses. Well, thank you for watching, and I hope you enjoy the eclipse tomorrow. And yeah, happy viewing. Keep your eyes to the skies safely.